Hello again. Today I'll show you another money making method that includes watching YouTube videos. I know we have made tons of videos about this already, but this is an opportunity wasted because there are tons of websites that pay you tons of money just by watching videos. We can't fit all of them in one video, so that's why we have made tons of videos about it. These kinds of methods are absolutely endless, and you can find new opportunities online every day. Now, just imagine watching one YouTube video and after watching it, you immediately earn $10. How cool is that? Today, I'll be showing you a bunch of websites that pay you money just by doing that. And the best part is you can do this again and again, which means you can make money again and again. I will be showing you some tips that you can use to minimize your time in watching and maximize your earnings. You can double or triple your earnings just by listening and following these tips that I'll be showing you. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now before we start, I want you to go to youtube.com. I know everyone here has a YouTube account since you are watching this video. If you don't have one yet, I'll show you how to do it easily. All you have to do is sign up here and then just fill up this form, and just like that, you now have a YouTube account. After signing into your account, I want you to go to the search bar which is located here and search for travels. These are the search results and you can just pick and choose any video that you want to watch. These are the types of videos that you are going to watch on these websites that I'll be showing you today. But before I show them to you, let me just give you some tips to efficiently watch videos without wasting your time. These tips will be applicable to all the websites that I'll be showing you today, so pay close attention. Now, once you're watching the video, the first tip that I'm going to show you is to lower the volume or mute the video. And this way you can open another tab and do other things that you want. The video will still be playing in the background but without sound. This is perfect for people who are multitasking, doing things on the internet. This will also save you time because you can use the time for doing other important things like assignments, projects, and you can play games. The second tip is to open as many browsers as you can and open the videos there. Since the videos are muted and they are playing in the background, it's like nothing is happening. You can play 5 or 10 videos at a time by opening it on different tabs on your browser. This is a great tip since the more videos that you watch, the more money you earn. Let's say, for example, for one video that you watch, you make about $18. For 3 videos, you can earn approximately $50, and for 5 videos, you can earn an estimate amount of $100. Now imagine, if you can watch 10 videos in a day, you will earn so much money. Playing tons of videos on different tabs is a great idea since if you watch 10 videos one by one, it'll take you at least an hour or 2. But if you play them simultaneously, it will only take you at least 30 minutes or less. Now the last tip that I'll be telling you is to lower the quality of the videos that you are watching. In this way, the video will not stutter or it will play smoothly. Yes, the quality will go down, but that is not important. The important thing is that you are watching the videos fully. This is also perfect for people who have a bad internet connection. Now that I have shown you some tips that you can use to watch videos, I'll be showing you the website that pay you for doing these things. The first website is called Ucubes. In Ucubes, you can earn money online by visiting websites, completing surveys, and watching videos. They have a total of 900,000 members so far and already sent 20,000 payments to those members. This is a great website to watch videos and earn money because they have tons of videos every day. So to sign up, just click on the sign up button and fill up this form. You need to put in your email, password, full name, username, gender, date of birth, and a country that you live in. I can say that this website is available worldwide since when we look at the list of countries, we can see all the countries are available for choosing. Now after doing that, just complete the CAPTCHA and accept the privacy policy terms and conditions. After that, just click on register and you can start earning money right away. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The second website that we will be using is called Box Inside. In Box Inside, for every 10 seconds that you spend on this website, you get paid. You can also watch videos here, which is perfect. Right over here is their payments proof page. And in this page, they show you at least 250 payments that they paid out to users. You can also see here what countries use this website at the moment to earn money. If we scroll down, we can see the payouts of the members. You can see their username, the country that they live in, the amount they withdrew, currency, payment method, date and time, and the total amount of money that they have earned here. You can see that there are pages and pages of payment proofs, so this means that this website is 100% legit. To sign up, just click on the register button right here and complete the sign up process. Once you do that, you are now a member of Box Inside and you can earn money just by watching videos here. The next website that I'll be showing you is called Fusion Cash. The nice thing about this website is that when you sign up, you instantly get $5. The easiest $5 in your life. You can earn money here by doing tasks, playing mobile apps, referring friends, and the best one is watching videos. To register here, just click on the Get $5 and then just complete the registration form. You just need to put in your username, email address, password, and zip code. After that, just click on register and you can now start earning through this website. iResu is the next website. In this website, you can do various things such as doing surveys, completing offers, and watching videos. They have already paid $151 million in cash to their members, which means this website is a great opportunity for you to earn money. Now just click on the watch videos option right here and you will be redirected to this page. Watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. iResu TV allows you to earn iResu points for each video that you watch. Their video inventory refreshes daily, so start earning now. Just click on the Get Started button right here and just fill out this form with your email, full name, and password. After that, you can now see your dashboard and start watching videos. Are you still there? If you are, then I'll be showing you the last website that we can use to earn money by watching videos. This website is called AppNana. It is actually an app that you can use on your phone where you can earn points that you can use to convert into cash rewards and gift cards. These gift cards include Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, and many more. You can earn points by watching videos here or by playing games. You can also refer people to use this app by joining their referral program. You can earn an estimate of $300 per day when you join their referral program. You can download this app in both iOS and Android devices. And all you have to do is go to their respective app store and download it from there. Once you do that, just create an account and start earning. These are the websites that you can use to earn money by watching videos. I hope that you find this video helpful, and I hope that you can earn lots of money by doing these methods that I have just shown you today. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.